United States Pharmacopoeia Method 645 dictates requirements that control the quality of the water used for a variety of pharmaceutical products. Execution of this method is typically lengthy, tedious, and error-prone. It can even require the use of a pH meter. This video will show you how to use Mettler Toledo's SevenExcellence meter and LabX software, which support and guide the user through the full method automatically according to USP645, yielding a simplified pass-fail result. First, we will walk through the full manual step-by-step process on a conductivity meter that is not equipped with the simplified and automatic method execution. USP645 requires that we take conductivity measurements without temperature compensation. With manual conductivity meters, this requires that the user verify the settings within the meter's menu prior to every measurement. This step can be easily overlooked, or in the case of a complicated menu, the confirmation of settings can be confusing. Once the settings are adjusted, you must now take the temperature of the water and a non-temperature compensated conductivity measurement. Stage 1 of this method requires you to compare these completed measurements to a temperature conductivity limits table to ensure that the measured conductivity is below the temperature conductivity limit at the measured temperature. Misinterpretation of the table at this stage can lead to erroneous pass-fail results and even failed audits. This sample did not pass the first step, so we must proceed to Stage 2. Stage 2 now requires each measurement to be performed at 25 plus or minus 1 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature is stable, the sample must be stirred and a conductivity measurement taken. This measurement must remain stable for 5 minutes. Here is another opportunity for error if the measurement or temperature are not stable or the conductivity measurement is read incorrectly. In this case, the sample passed on the second step. In the event of a failed test, the procedure requires additional steps and the use of a pH meter, making it even more susceptible to error. Finally, once the measurement is complete, the result is recorded manually, offering yet another opportunity for error. Now we will look at the same method on the SevenExcellence using LabX software. With built-in method concept and one-click execution, this lengthy and tedious process can be drastically simplified. On the SevenExcellence meter, complete workflows or SOPs can be programmed into methods with a unique combination of SOP steps and measurement settings. By starting your method from a shortcut on the home screen, you can be sure that the meter's settings will always match the USP645 requirement, and you will be guided through the whole workflow. Additionally, SevenExcellence offers predefined methods for each step of this process, including the pH measurement that would be required after a failed result in Step 2. Once the method is started, the meter will automatically take the first measurement and will check for a pass-fail during this stage. Manual reference of the limits table is avoided. Looks like the sample failed on this first stage. SevenExcellence will now automatically wait until the temperature adjusts to 25 degrees before taking the next reading. Now that the temperature is adjusted, the automatic reading is taken. The risk of readings being taken outside of the required temp range is avoided, and so is manual comparison of the temperature conductivity limits table. From the moment the operator presses the shortcut method, the meter automatically captures the result at the correct time, references the value table, and yields a pass-fail result. If your lab is integrated with LabX software, the results will be sent to and stored in a central database. This LabX database supports transfer of data to your LIMS system, the creation of reports, and aids in compliance with features such as audit trails. In the click of just one button, we have eliminated multiple opportunities for error. The instrument guides you through the required stages, ensuring that the correct limits and measurement conditions are fulfilled. When using the SevenExcellence meter from Mettler Toledo, water quality measurement becomes an easy task. Reduce the risk of mistakes while increasing your efficiency and compliance.